If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Sarapuli. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about half a cup of refined flour or maida, roughly about half a cup of ghee, 3 tablespoons of jaggery or gur, 1 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, then 1 cup cream of milk, which is the top semi-thick layer of the milk, as you can see. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of ghee followed by 1 cup of milk. Now bring this to boil on high flame, then reduce the flame to medium and keep the flame constant at this temperature, because we need to reduce the milk to a thick consistency. So as of now, it requires occasional stirring. When the quantity is almost half, then it requires continuous stirring. And if you have non-stick pan just like this, then it will be easy for you. So after some time, you will get something like this. And this is nothing but rabdi, but we need a thick consistency. So for that, keep stirring and keep reducing it. And when you reach at this stage, lower the flame to low, and we don't need to cook further. Just add the jaggery and the quarter teaspoon of salt and combine it really well with the reduced milk. Now let it cool down for roughly about 15 minutes, and in the meantime, take a pan or a saucepan and to that add 1 cup of sugar along with 1 cup of water. And after adding both of these, switch on the flame and set the flame on high and let it boil for roughly about 10 minutes, which is roughly the 1 string consistency. Now take all the cream of milk in a large bowl and to that add all the khoya, the refined flour or maida, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now with the help of a spoon or a ladle, mix it up really well. Then after that, add about 1.5 cups of milk. So what we are looking for is a medium thick batter. Just like this. Now once it's well combined, set it aside for a moment. Then take a skillet or a tawa and over medium flame. Then just before making sarapuli, add about a teaspoon of ghee. Then gently pour a ladle full of the batter. Now as this is on medium flame, roast each side for a couple of minutes. Then with the help of a spatula, scrape off the edges and flip it. And when it's done, transfer this directly into the sugar syrup, which should be warm, not hot or cold. And soak that for roughly about 10 to 15 seconds and remove it. And it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Sarapuli. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.